football from the exit of the stadium all the way to the parking lot. We were just running and going like.
Suck. Oh, it's in it with anything?
With a can.
That's funny. What's up, everybody? This is, what's this hike called? Oh, this hike is called Belly of the Dragon.
Anus.
Oh, I didn't lock the, I gotta lock the door. Yeah, this hike's called Belly of the Dragon. It's a very short hike. I think it's 1 mile, 1.5 miles. Yeah, it goes up to a cave that looks like the belly of a dragon. But it's pretty cool. It's right next to, I'm trying to get my car to lock. It's right next to Mount Carmel in Utah. And take a look around. It's real easy parking. You see behind me. Just park here, and the trail is wide open, pretty obvious. And oh, look, a bear. Oh no, it's Grease. But anyway, yeah. So we're gonna hike up this, check it out, and see what we get into. Right here is pretty cool. Is that a cave right there? Oh, that's it already. So it's not even 1 mile. This is it. Wow. Okay, so it's like 400 yards from the parking lot.
But I want to go in here.
They call this the belly of the dragon. Or we like to call it the anus of the dragon.
Of the dragon.
That's pretty close. Do a duck face. How'd you get down there?
I jumped.
Did you just slide down this thing? This is really awkward. Huh. Have to go around.
I feel the tunnel and Zion.
Yeah. Must have been an old waterway.
I hope it gets flooded and we die in here.
Yeah, they said don't come in here if it's been raining. Oh, and it goes out the other side. I guess it was made for drainage. Hope there's no critters in here. There was this close.
Did we is it because we didn't park where the walk is or what?
No. I thought it was like a mile.
Yeah, because all the reviews were like you can walk in sand and then, or park right by the anus.
I think they were saying the hike is a mile.
Uh-huh.
But it's only a mile because you hike through the cave and come out the other side. Whoa! Dude, I just fell on that same spot.
Me too, at the same spot, I think.
Dude, that's a tragedy waiting to happen. It's funny how it's totally lit all the way through. You don't really need a flashlight.
And we're out. This would have been a great place to spark it. But I have none.
That was really quick.
That's it? I guess we're going to Peekaboo.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of cool, but...
Cool. Who's filming me? Oh, the bird.
What was that?
A bird.
Pooping?
No, like a little rock fell on top of me.
All right, well, that was a fast one.
That's what she said.
There's gonna be a lot of editing in this video when you're walking around with grease. We'll probably get like 30 seconds of real video.
Out of 3 hours.
But here's the going back in. I think what was about 100 yards long football field. This cave or whatever. But I have a feeling it was man-made to let all the water get through here. It's more of a drainage kind of thing. And you can see that's the exit and that's the entrance, I guess. It's kind of freaky because are you black? I can't, your eyes have to adjust for a minute to get through here. Kind of echoey. There's that place where you slip before. Oh, here we go. Can't see your footing too well. This part, but there's still quite a bit of light. There we go. And just like that, we're out.
Go deeper, guys.
Okay.
There's something in there?
You can go all the way through. It's not that long.
Gotcha. Cool.
And that's it. Grease got really tired. We had to brake a whole bunch going that 100 yards.
I know. I'm out of breath.
You're out of breath. I don't think you're out of breath. I think you have a year supply at least. These are all cottonwood trees. Look nice and healthy and green.
I think these are the easiest hikes we've done, Kobe.
Yeah, it was over before we began.
I know.
So that's it right there. The anus of the dragon. All right, guys, that's gonna be a quick post, but we'll talk to you later. We're gonna go check out another one right now called Peekaboo Canyon. It's just up the road. And we'll see. It's supposed to be a 1.5 mile hike in, so we'll see how that goes. Talk to you later. Bye. See ya.